guys, welcome back. Tell you what, something a little different tonight, and it is hot tonight, so bear with me. It is blistering hot. So, but the good people over at I think it's QUBESTOVE, and they reached out to me to do a video for them, and they just sent me their new QUBESTOVE. It is a new and improved rotating pizza oven, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get going, and we're gonna unbox this and put this thing together and do like I always do with any new stove or oven or grill, is do a burn on it and burn off any manufacturing stuff before we ever cook on it. So let's get going with this, guys. Okay, for starters, looks like we got an owner's manual come with it. This is our outdoor stove fire pit that for the pellet grills, or where you use pellets in it. Let's get that off to the side. This is the new gas version, and that we're going to be using today on this little burn off. Pretty good looking deal. This is new for the QUBESTOVE, or for the QUBESTOVE I should call it. So cannot wait to get this thing set up. And lastly, our pizza oven itself. Check that out, 16.5 inches. I think their other version is 12 inches with most of them. You can do a full-size pizza on this thing, guys, and I cannot wait to try that. This thing is a beast. Got our handy smokestack. That's pretty heavy duty there. Yeah. Assuming this is a handle for our door. Yeah, this is our swivel itself. Guys, let's get this put together and see what it looks like together. I gotta admit, it's bigger than what I was anticipating. Oh, that's our motor. Yeah, did I mention? Automatic motor. You don't have to turn it by hand anymore. Very nice. Very nice. Alright. Alright guys, our gas attachment does come with the regulator hose there. Awesome. We'll be using that here shortly. I think this is a rack if we're going to use it as other accessories with that. I'll look at that a little bit further as we go. And this is our gas attachment. Run our propane there. What I just figured out the hard way, I need to start doing some reading here. I don't want to get too far. For the gas burner, these legs here are folding. You need to be on the shorter legs for this thing to be level. So, and they're stacked here. Should just go in. I'm doing this right. And twist. There we go. And our door, it does have a little bit larger window so you can see in. It just attaches just like that. I'm not gonna lie, this part of it, the motor, kind of stumped me a minute. I didn't realize you got to remove this plate, add these risers to the oven, and I'll show you when it's done, but it elevates that so it'll slide in right up underneath here. And it should look something like that once it's put in place. These little teeth right here will grab underneath here. I'll show you. But first, right now is a good time to put our 3 AA batteries in. I believe there we go. And that's what she looks like installed. Let's turn that on. Everything's looking good. Alright, let's hook our gas up. Okay, I don't know how good the lighting is here. Just simple hook up, move that out of the way. I believe that's a 3/4, yes. Get that on there. Pretty snug. And because I don't have an extra tank laying around, I'm going to borrow the gas tank off of my griddle temporarily. Hopefully, this will get her done. First try. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but we do got a flame going. I'm gonna turn this on. We definitely got flame going. We're gonna let her heat up, guys. This off of here. This has only been about 5 minutes. I don't know if the camera can pick this up. We're pushing 400 degrees on the stone. The center of the stone, we're already up over 400 degrees, and we're maybe 4 or 5 minutes in. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right there where I'm holding, we're at 394. Yeah. So at the center of the stone, you're a little over 400 degrees already, Fahrenheit. Move our door. Just curious how hot that would be, but it's fine. We're roughly 10 minutes in. This is where we're going to find out. We're still a ways off. We really are. That's 5. I don't know if you can see it. 585. I think it's, that is hot though. Man, I tell you what. 570, 580, dead center. It's all back pretty consistent now with that door being on there. We'll check back here in just a little bit. Okay guys, I've learned something about my infrared thermometer. It only goes up to 716 degrees, and I have exceeded that. So I know we're over 700 degrees. I don't know exactly how hot we are. We're roughly 25, maybe 30 minutes into this, and I'm satisfied it does get super hot. We've been running this propane on high for all this time, and I'm comfortable saying it's going to get even hotter. Not in the 10 minutes that they say. But we're about 25, which I had other people tell me they didn't really trust the 10-minute thing. So you're looking at maybe 20, 30 minutes before you get up in the high temp cooking range. So yeah, there we are. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. It was a learning experience for me. I've really enjoyed this. I'm going to let this go for a while and just continue to burn off some of that manufacturing oils and whatever else is in there. And I gotta be careful not to touch this because it's very hot, and it's hot outside. About 91 right now, and it's like after 7 in the evening. Sun's right in my eyes. So guys, thank you. The Cube stove. This was my unboxing. Put it together. I had a couple obstacles, but I think it was just my ignorance about how to put this thing together, and we got it together, and it's running fine. It's burning good, and it's very hot. Unfortunately, my infrared thermometer doesn't go up to 1,000 degrees. I didn't realize that until just now. So we're over 700 degrees, and I think we can definitely cook the pizza there, and it's going to get even hotter. So guys, thanks as always. We're going to be doing some pizzas in the near future. Stay tuned. I'll switch over to this pellet attachment also, and we'll get that going, and we'll get some smoked pizza on here too, guys. Some good wood-fired smoked pizza as well. Can't wait to do that. Wanted to get the gas accessory on here now because that is the new feature for the Cube stove that they've got out, and what they're going to be featuring in their in their upcoming promotion. So guys, thanks as always, and we will see you on the next cook. God bless you. Bye bye.